Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Welcome back again. This is part 2. Here we will going to learn JIRA software smart commit. Me Tawheed with you. If you haven't yet seen previous part of this tutorial, then I will recommend you to see other parts. It's help you to understand clearly. In this session we are going to see add a comment to an issue in practical, record time tracking information against an issue, and transition a JIRA issue to a particular workflow state. So now we are going to practical. Previously guys saw this issue, we created a branch from here. This is the branch it already created. Now I am going to start smart commit, but before start smart commit we have to set an email address which similar to this email address to our git email address. That means if in our JIRA registered with email@mail.com, then we have to add git email address similar to that, otherwise the smart commit will not work. In first section we are going to start the smart commit. Here this is the ID we set up before or previous tutorial, and now I'm using this ID. In this readme.md file has one line, that is Bismillah. Now I'm going to add another line, testing the smart commit. Okay, now I have to push this code using smart commit. Before push, let's see the syntax and flow. Here the syntax for smart commit: add comment. First thing is the issue key. The second thing is could be space or some other text. Then you have to write hash comment, then specify your comment. In example, our issue name or issue key was PDWC553. Now I added the comment with before and space, then I added a comment. This comment sending from smart commit. Okay, now I copying this text and going to my ID. Now clicking on commit, then specifying it, comment, this comment sending from smart commit, and I'm going to push. Yes, it's successfully pushed. Now here I am in JIRA, nothing changed, but here you are seeing the one commit came which the available after just now. Okay, I'm clicking on this here saying one git pushes with the comments, but nothing changed in JIRA. Now I'm going to reload it. Okay, now you are seeing there, here is a comment added. This comment sending from smart commit. This is actually happen when we commit with smart commit. Okay, let's move on to next topic. This is record time tracking information against an issue. What is this actually? Okay, here you are seeing in time tracking estimated and remaining time and log time. We didn't yet log anything, so now we are going to add a log time using smart commit. Let's see the syntax and example. Okay, here is this. The first thing is the key, same as issue key, and then ignore text. This is as before, space or something like this. Then the keyword hash time. This first value or any of value could be here a integer number, then week, it means W means week, integer value or something other value. D means day, same as a decimal value, hour, H for hour, M for minute, and then comment. Actually this comment and above comment same. If you add a comment, then it will add automatically in the comment section of the JIRA issue. Now we are pushing the codes using time tracking information. Okay, I'm copying this. Now I'm going to my editor. Yes, now adding a line. Tracking commit. Okay, now I'm going to push again. I paste my commit, that is we are logging 10 minutes. Just now we saw that we haven't any logged. Now I'm going to push. Let's see in browser. Here you seeing that the second commit is came, but still it's saying not specified. Now give me a reload. This is the change. It just add a 10-minute logged. This is actually the feature of time tracking. Okay, let me show you the last thing, that is transition a JIRA issue to a particular workflow state. Basically every JIRA issue could be a workflow. That is, if you click on this view workflow, then you can see the workflow status. So now we are in open or backlog, so we want to go to development. The transition name is develop. So if we want to push the issue to open, from open to development, then we have to push using develop commit. That means we have to specify that we want to push our code from open to development. Okay, now you are seeing here it's showing the development button. So if I click the issue, then it will turn to development, but I am not clicking here. I am going to push a smart commit. Okay, let's see the syntax. In this case, it should be transition. Okay, it should be transition. So the syntax is issue key, then ignore text, then the transition. Here we have to specify the transition name and then commit. Now I am going to add the transition for development. Okay, now I am copying it. I'm paste it here, and I also commit the file with smart commit. Okay, here we want to transition to development. Now I'm going to push. Yes, already pushed. Now you are seeing here the third commit is pushed already, but still it's showing development. Okay, let me reload. Here you see now the state is changed to code review. That means it saying that send to development. That means it will Now in development we can move to code review. Basically this is the workflow of JIRA Smart Commit, which is driven by Git commit and reflected in our JIRA issue. Thank you for watching. If you think the tutorial is helpful, then please subscribe to my channel, because I love to share my knowledge to others. Thank you again.